Everything's better with Greta.
Hello and welcome to GLSN, Greta Sports Network. And today we are going to be talking about Newton's laws in sports. And here to help us better understand this is the head coach of the soccer, basketball, and volleyball teams of Minnesota, Coach Greta. Hi, Coach Greta.
Thanks, sports announcer Greta. Let's jump right in. What are Newton's laws? Well, Newton's first law is an object in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. The second part of the law is an object at rest tends to stay at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This is called inertia, which is the tendency of an object to resist a change in motion. To demonstrate all these laws, we're going to use soccer, volleyball, and basketball.
This shows Newton's first law because the ball is in motion, then stops due to an unbalanced force, his foot. Then it starts moving again with the unbalanced force of the foot. Here, the ball changes direction because of the unbalanced force of the foot. Rolling friction in the grass is the unbalanced force that causes the ball to stop. In this demonstration, the ball is at rest until the unbalanced force of the foot kicks in.
Newton's second law is force equals mass times acceleration, which means that the force of an object depends on the mass and the acceleration of an object.
This baller uses just the right amount of mass and acceleration to get the ball directly into the hoop. If the baller had more mass, he would need less acceleration to give the ball the same amount of force to get it directly into the hoop. If the baller had less mass, then he would need more acceleration to give the ball the same amount of force to get it directly into the hoop. Mass and acceleration are what's called inversely proportional. When one goes up, the other goes down. This rock has a lot more mass, so it requires more force to get it the same distance. Mass and force are directly proportional. When one goes up, so does the other. This kid's never going to make that shot.
And Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
For the action of him applying a force to the volleyball, the reaction is the volleyball applying an equal and opposite force on his hands. Looks like he can't take the reaction. The same thing is true for the soccer ball. The action, juggling the soccer ball. The reaction, the ball applying a force on his foot. Finally, we have the basketball. When the ball hits the ground applies an equal and opposite force back up on it, causing it to go up. Such a show-off.
Those are Newton's 3 laws and how they can apply in sport.
Wow, thanks for all your help, Coach Greta.
You bet. Thanks a lot for having me, sports announcer Greta. Bye!
And on that note, from everyone here at GLSN, goodbye and good night.
Hello, Greta, how you doing?